Hello! I have an announcement to make. I'm opening up a new channel specifically for computers called the PC Expert Amateur. I know it's a funny mouthful, but this channel is going to have all of my current existing videos from this channel on there. They'll still be here if you get nostalgic and want to come back to the place where they originally got posted, but they'll also be over there, and I will not be posting any more computer related topics on this channel. It'll all be on the TPCEA channel, and I will also be doing reviews. In fact, I already started doing a big project that I decided was important to do with my new computer, and you're wondering, how'd you get a new computer? Are you earning that much money from YouTube? No, that was from my own salary. I'm not earning any money yet. Hopefully I will, but not yet. So I have done a big comparison using my Noctua U12A CPU cooler and 4 different fans, including the fan that goes with it, as well as 3 other types of fans, to see which ones do the best for exhaust, which ones do the best for intake, and which combination works the best on the cooler as well under different loads. And that is one of the things I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to be building a wind tunnel. In fact, yesterday I went out and got some of the parts for that. And I ordered an anemometer, which is a wind meter. And once I've got that all set up, I'll be testing different fans. In fact, I just ordered like 10 different fans. I'll be testing them using the wind tunnel and using my computer. There will be a bit of a delay. Number one, I have to finish editing the video that I made last weekend about the CPU cooler and the 4 fans. And number two, my graphics card, which I had to return because it was defective, they sent me a replacement which had the same defect. So that just got sent back yesterday, and that is preventing me from doing any further testing because I have already got the Thermalright Peerless Assassin that I will review. And that is a CPU cooler, for those of you who don't know what that is, and it's one of the top rated ones in the industry at this time that I'm aware of. Now, I will be focusing primarily on fans at this point, and then I will branch out into the CPU coolers more and more as I get through the fans. I'm going to be looking for low-end fans that do a great job in terms of cost, but you know, they're not expensive. Like, there are some from Arctic and Antec and Gelid, although it's kind of hard to get them from Gelid. They're located in Hong Kong. I tried to order on their website. It didn't work right, and the products that I wanted are not available on other websites, so that's a challenge. I reached out to them. They haven't responded to me. I've got Deep Cool. I've got Thermalright. I'll be getting a Thermaltake, and there's some other brands that I've never heard of and you've never heard of, like Yeaftech. Yeaftech, yeah. Funny. So that's all going to go on the PC Expert Amateur channel that I'm currently populating with all the old videos. So you can see all the old tech videos there. And then as I said, I'm going to add in new videos. But the current lack of my graphics card is preventing me from doing any testing of fans right now, as well as the Thermalright Peerless Assassin, because I want to compare it to the Noctua U12A. So that's pretty much it. That means there will be less content being posted to this channel, but hopefully you guys will, if you're interested in computers, you'll be moving over to my new channel to watch those videos there. And please feel free to give me feedback, but over there, not over here. Thank you so much, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.